All right, boys, take him away. All set, boys?
Yes.
All right,
What are we going to do with this mug?
We'll take him along with us. Come on, get this stuff together here. And we'll take the stuff outside and give him a rest. Answer it. Not you, you muzzler.
Hello?
Is Mr. Stubbins there? This is his daughter speaking.
It's for him, his daughter.
Tell her he'll be right there.
He won't be a minute.
There, Auntie, they're calling.
Go on, Slug, pull them together. Come on, come on. Here, wait a minute, I'll fix them.
Yes? Yes? Yes, what is it? Wait. Oh.
Now get this. Your daughter's on the telephone. Tell her you're busy at the office, and get them out of my rooms.
But they're waiting for me. They expect me back.
Go on. Do as I tell you, will you? Come on, get busy.
Hello, Barbara.
Oh, hello, Daddy. What's happened to you?
Oh, something awful has happened. Something awfully important happened to crop up when I came in the office.
Don't tell me it's that Wilson man again.
I don't think you'd better wait for me. I'll try and see you tomorrow.
But we're going home tonight.
I'm sure I won't be able to get away, so say good night to Auntie for me. Will you? Goodbye, dear.
Goodbye.
Finished?
Yes. Good.
Come on, boys, get this stuff out of here.
Blimey, not a bad night's work, eh? Easier than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, but if we had did it my way, it'd have been much easier. This stuff I've gone through the ceiling is a lot of hooey. I like to go right smack in the front door. Last year I'm out in South Bend, Indiana. See? I looks up, and right smack in front of me is a bank. In 3 minutes, I was in and out of the bank with a load of dope.
Why don't you dry up? I've counted this one file 3 times already. You and your South Bend. Hello, Stubbins. Pull up a chair.
What? Well, do nothing of the kind. Why, I wouldn't dream of sitting down with you. You're dishonest. You're nothing but a lot of common burglars. You've broken into a bank, and you've done it through my office, too. What's more, you've ruined my office floor.
Here, count these.
Oh, sure. What? It's nothing of the kind. I wouldn't touch them. You stole them, you count them. Why, you've broken the law. You've taken stuff that doesn't belong to you. You can't do that here. They won't allow you. And I'm going to see that you get what you deserve, too. I'm going straight out and tell the first policeman I see. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, you're going to tell a policeman.
Yes, the first one I see, too.
Good, show him that.
All right, I will. Serves you jolly well right. You thought you were clever, didn't you? Well, you're not. They've got fingerprints. Do you know what that means?
Yes, it means you'd better duck. They're yours.
Mine?
Yeah. You ought to wear gloves when you handle a safe.
Oh, dear. Oh, what a pity.
Oh, come on, Stubby. Keep your mouth shut and everything will be all right. Here, this'll pay for the office floor.
No, I wouldn't touch it. And if I were you, I'd ring up the bank and tell them you're going to bring all that money right back.
Yeah? And if I were you, I'd put on my gloves and get out of town. Don't forget, you're the only one that got anything on, so be a good little boy and keep your trap shut.
Cheerio. Merry Christmas.
Same to you. What?
Can I see Mr. Stubbins, please?
His room's upstairs, number 4.
Thank you.
Come in.
How do you do?
Oh, good evening. Good morning.
Are you Mr. Stubbins?
Yes. Well, what is it?
I'm from the Yard.
Yard? Whose yard?
Scotland Yard.
Oh.
Sergeant Collins.
How are you, Mr. Inspector Sergeant?
Mr. Stubbins, last night the bank under your office was robbed.
No.
Yes. And they got in through a hole in your floor. I'd like you to come along with me.
Eh?
We think you may be of some help to us.
Yes, I'd be very pleased to help you. Yes. Have you any idea who did it?
Oh, yes, we've one or two good clues. They always leave something behind them to give themselves away. Will you come along with me now?
Yes.
Come along, sir. This is Mr. Stubbins, Inspector.
How do you do, Mr. Stubbins? How do you do? That's your office up there? Yes.
Well, that's how they got in.
That was a long drop.
Eh?
I said that would be a long way to drop, wouldn't it?
Yes, but they used the ladder.
Oh, did they? Oh.
I'll go and have a look round upstairs.
Yes.
Do you mind coming along with me, Mr. Stubbins?
Yes. No. I don't. Oh, dear, what a mess. Isn't it?
Yes. Find any more fingerprints, Joe?
No, just they'd sit on the safe, that's all. Rest of them must have had gloves on.
You better have a look around here.
All right, I'll go down and get my stuff.
And do you think you'll catch them?
Well, there shouldn't be much trouble about the one who left his fingerprints in the safe down there. One of the best sets I've seen in years. He might just as well have left his visiting card. Excuse me a moment, please.
Oh, dear, there must be a million of them.
Well, Mr. Stubbins, I don't think we'll take up any more of your time. Joe will be through any minute.
Oh, you mean I can go now? Huh?
Yes, for the present. I expect we'll get in touch with you later.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Find anything, Joe?
Looks like a couple here that might tell us something.
Now what's eating you?
Listen, I've just come from the bank. They got policemen all over the place asking questions and looking for fingerprints. And just as I left, I heard they'd found something. What on earth am I going to do?
Joe, I told you what to do. Put on your gloves and scram.
Scram?
Yeah, blow, duck, get out of town.
Yeah, but what about the fingerprints? Suppose they find out they're mine.
If you keep out of the way, they've no chance of comparing them.
Oh, no, yes. I didn't think of that. Yes. Well, I'd better go, hadn't I?
Yeah, while the going's good.
Yes. But where shall I go?
Oh, go anywhere, but get out of town. Go hide yourself in the country.
In the country?
Yes.
Yes, that's just what I'll do. Yes.
Come on in, Wimpy, dear. Oh, don't be silly. Come along. Come on, now, sit down and relax a little while. Yo, sweet pie, you. Comfy?
Well, it's a long time since I stayed out all night.
And what a stayer-outer you are, too, baby.
Where have you been?
Where have we been? We've had a wonderful time. Been to 5 nightclubs, had breakfast at the cutest little country inn, drove to Brighton and back, and here we are. And am I tired? Oh, you don't know Wimpy, do you? This is my brother, Duke, Douglas. This is Wimpy. Sir Roger Wimbledon.
How do you do, Sir Wimbledon?
I must apologize for keeping your sister out so late.
You kept me out. I should say it was the other way around. I kept you out.
Well, I'm afraid I shall have to be going.
No, you don't. Not before you've had a teeny little pick-me-up. Duke, Douglas, fix the Lord a drink.
Oh, well.
Come on.
Just a very, very small one.
You know, Wimpy, I think you're an old meanie for not asking me to your Christmas party.
Well, my dear, I'd like to, but you know how it is.
No, I don't know how it is. All I know is that it's Christmas, and I'm far away from home, and I'm going to be a very lonely little girl.
Oh, my dear, I wish I could, but I don't see how it can be arranged.
I tell you what, you invite my brother, and he'll bring me.
Yes. This is a topping idea. I'll expect you both.
Oh, goody. Douglas, did you hear?
What?
Wimpy's asked us to his Christmas party in the country.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, it's fancy dress, you know.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah, isn't that swell?
Oh, here.
Well, cheer-ho.
Cheer-ho.
Well, now I really must be going.
Well, if you must.
Yes. Goodbye, Mr. Van
Goodbye.
Dusen. I shall be seeing you at Christmas time.
Oh, Christmas time. Oh, yeah.
Come on, Wimpy, darling. Really, you know, I don't know how I can begin to tell you what a perfectly marvelous time I had on
dear,
day.
marvelous
And
time
last
I
night,
had.
it was marvelous. Well, goodbye.
Goodbye.